Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Shopify buy button. This fantastic tool lets you add e-commerce functionality to almost any web page. Imagine your customers buying directly from your blog post or landing page without ever leaving. It's a real time saver, offering a smooth, direct path to checkout. You can showcase your products with clear images, prices, and descriptions, making shopping incredibly convenient for everyone. Creating your own buy button is quite straightforward. Begin by adding the buy button sales channel within your Shopify admin. Once that's set up, you'll choose to create a button for either a single product or an entire collection. Then comes the fun part, customization. You can adjust the layout, colors, and text to perfectly match your brand. Finally, decide if clicking the button adds an item to a cart or sends customers directly to checkout. Once your buy button looks just right, Shopify will automatically generate an embed code for you. Simply copy this code and paste it into the HTML editor of your website, exactly where you want the button to appear. This works beautifully for blog posts, dedicated landing pages, or even within promotional emails. Remember to place the script element in your page's header for everything to function perfectly, ensuring a seamless experience for your visitors. The Shopify buy button offers numerous advantages. Many users see increased conversion rates, sometimes up to 70%, thanks to the streamlined checkout. It provides a smooth, hassle-free experience for your customers, letting them buy with ease. You have full control over customization, from colors and fonts to layouts, ensuring it perfectly aligns with your brand. Plus, you can track all sales and customer behavior right from your Shopify admin, giving you valuable insights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.